If you're on a Medicare Advantage plan and you've been wanting to get out, now is the time. This is the time of year that you can actually leave your Medicare Advantage plan. A lot of people find out when they get into Medicare Advantage, it locks you in for the year and you can't make any changes. So if you made the wrong choice going in, you quickly find out that you're stuck with it for a year. But now is the time where we can get out of Medicare Advantage plan. And this year, you're going to find a lot of people where the Medicare Advantage plan is leaving them. They're having service area reductions, meaning they're leaving a lot of areas with their Medicare Advantage coverage. So it leaves you in a position where you have to do something new. And if you're in the middle of care, especially significant care, it can be very problematic because you're going to likely have to find new doctors, new specialists. You may have to change a hospital. It can be a very difficult time, but this is the problem with Medicare Advantage is you don't have any control. Medicare Advantage is run by a private insurance carrier. It is not Medicare, even though it is called Medicare Advantage. So Medicare Advantage is set in a for-profit scenario, meaning the more they make, the less they spend on you. And that can definitely be the goal for different types of Medicare Advantage plans. So if you want to come back to original Medicare, this is the time of year. We're in Medicare open enrollment. It runs from October 15th through December 7th. You have to initiate your change in that period of time, and then it becomes effective on December 1st. So if you want to come back to original Medicare, you'd likely also want to have a Medicare supplement plan, either a G or an N. You've likely heard of both of them, that cover the things that original Medicare does not. And it's terrific coverage when you set it up the way you want it. You can go to any doctor, any hospital, anywhere in the country that accepts Medicare, gives you the control, gives you the power, and you don't have to jump through the hoops and do all the things that require under Medicare Advantage plans like pre-authorizations or getting a referral from a primary to go to a specialist. You just don't have that kind of stuff with original Medicare. So if we can get back to original Medicare, this is the time to do it. Now, understand, if you're going to get a Medicare supplement plan, you're likely going to need to be in good health. In most states, they do require medical underwriting. So in other words, you got to pass a few questions, and it's not complicated. It's just questions. You don't need physicals or things like that. And really, it's big stuff that would disqualify you. Cancer, Parkinson's, COPD, blood situations. It's things of kind of life insurance type big things that would negate you from being able to get a Medicare supplement plan. But we walk you through all that. We help you get to where you want to be. And again, this is the time to do it. Now, if for some reason we miss this period of time, come January 1st, there's what is considered a Medicare Advantage disenrollment period. So there is another period of time after January 1st. And they really put this period of time for the people that got sold into Medicare Advantage, got in, found out that their doctor's not there, they can't go to the hospital they want, so they want to get out, and they actually created a window for you to be able to do that. So this runs from January 1st through the end of March, where it'll be effective on the 1st of the next month. So there's a couple of different paths to be able to get out of that Medicare Advantage plan, get back into original Medicare with a supplement. And again, we walk through all this. We make it easy as possible. Just give us a call. Visit my website, MedicareOnVideo.com. We'll take whatever situation you're in and improve it to where you can do the things that you want to do. So I hope you found this helpful. We're happy to help with all of it. Have a fantastic day.